With the 24H2 release of Windows 11, there's new functionality, that of live captions. To enable live captions, we go here to the quick settings, or the control center as it used to be called. Then click on accessibility and then click on live captions. Or now we can go on the drop down, there's another page right below this, and click on live captions from here. As soon as we select to enable live captions, it prompts us to continue the setup of live captions. Then we say yes to continue. It will download the language files and then press continue. Then move this bar wherever we prefer it, and then if we go and play any videos, it will play those closed captions down below in this bar in the live captions option. These closed captions are different from those of YouTube. Whatever content that is being played on the screen, it's transcribing it for us live. Now, this applies to videos from your computer or content that you're playing from the web.